everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a video on unboxing the Cricut Maker 4. So as you guys know, Cricut just released their Cricut Maker 4 and the Explorer 4 in two different colors. So I am unboxing the one that I received from Cricut. First of all, this video is not sponsored by Cricut, but thank you to Cricut for sharing this machine and giving me early access to this machine so that I can do an unboxing video. So let's get started and see what's in the box. So here I'll open the lid. I apologize in advance. It's a small space and the table is keeping the box from opening all the way, so you'll see me fiddling with the box. So immediately when you open the box, you will see this white packet. This is their starter packet. There's a QR code for you to scan and follow the instructions on how to set up the device on your computer or tablet. You can also go to cricut.com/setup to do it. And here I was going to open the packet, but you know what? I decided to take off the machine. So we'll get back to opening the packet, the sticker. So here, as I remove the packaging, you see this gorgeous rose gold pinkish maker. If you're like me and you love pink, this is just absolutely stunning. This is a brilliant color and I love this color. So here I'm going to remove the maker first because it's quite heavy, so be careful. Or maybe I'm just weak. So here I'm trying to carefully take it out, but also trying to show you the color. Do you see it? It's just so beautiful. Look at that shine on that rose gold lid. It's like a dream come true if you love pink like I do. So I'm going to put it aside. There's an adapter. This is for connecting and turning it on. This is a USB cord for you to connect to your computer. So I'll remove this packaging to take out the mat. The mat is slightly bent, so I am going to actually remove the box and I'm going to put it on the ground so that I could try to flatten it a little bit before use. I'm gonna open this package first, and ooh, look, Cricut even included a mini pick. So if you guys are familiar with the weeding tool or dentist pick, this is a mini pick that you could bring travel size with you so that you could start your project. So if you bought this machine and this is your first machine, you have that. You have a pen and you have material for some projects. You could go through this booklet and you'll see how to connect and you can follow the instructions, but it's really not needed because a lot of information is online. You have 2 sheets of yellow cardstock here. You have some vinyl, and what Cricut did is um, they had a label on here and it's very nice, and you'll see it gives you an idea of what project it's for. It shows that this is smart vinyl and it's removable, and you could actually put it on your mugs or your cups or tumbler, which they have an image to give you an idea. So you could look at that for a clue. Um, they also included a sheet of black iron on, so you could do it on a t-shirt, and they also have that on the logo as well, which I thought was really cute, and 2 sheets of transfer tape. So just showing you, it will actually say transfer tape on there. And here here's the machine. Let me like carefully try to cut it and remove it. Sorry, I can't really see, so I'm trying to stay within the screen and in the frame, that is, and I try to open it, and after you take off the seal, look, you can still see the beautiful color. So gorgeous. Just absolutely in love with this, and I can't wait to get started. So I will post another video comparing the Maker 3 cut speed and the Maker 4 cut speed. And one cool thing about this is it will cut faster for your smart vinyl project and your cardstock. Here I'm showing you the tray. I just want to point out that the old models had a magnet there, but there is no magnet here. So hope you enjoy this video. If you decide to get it or buy it from Cricut, my affiliated link is in the description. It doesn't cost you extra, but I get a small commission if you use my link. Thank you.